Greetings Guam, ready to see how we can keep your vehicle looking spotless while navigating our beautiful island? Today, not only will we explore the essentials of paint protection film or PPF, but we'll also demonstrate a bulk hood installation on a stunning 2024 Lexus GX550 right here at Cherry Auto Detailing located in Guam. And if you guys want more information about the different types of detailing services we offer, from paint protection film, ceramic coating, and window tint, please head over to the description down below. You'll find all our contact information. Give us a call or head over to our shop and let's get on with this video. So whether you're cruising through Tumon or commuting in Tumaning, every car, especially a luxurious one like this Lexus GX550, deserves top-notch protection. At Cherry Auto Detailing, we trust Geoshield PPF to provide this by defending against everything from road debris to harsh rays of our tropical sun. This film is designed to take the hits so your paint doesn't have to. It acts as a robust shield, physically separating your car's paint from damaging elements. But remember, this is paint protection film, not paint perfection film. While no product can guarantee complete immunity from all wear and tear, Geoshield PPF is about safeguarding your investment against the common enemies of your car's exterior, meaning rock chips, scratches. Here in Guam, we got bush cutters, sakati, trees, you name it. Our Guam roads has a lot of construction going on, so there's a lot of road debris on the road, so it's best to get this so you can protect your front end, your sides of the vehicle, or the entire vehicle against these types of elements. Geoshield PPF, you'll worry less about scratches and fading. This film is like a strong, invisible barrier that not only preserves your car's color, but also makes maintenance incredibly simple. Just wipe and go. Here in Guam, where our roads and weather are continuously changing, protecting your car with paint protection film isn't just a good choice, it's essential. At Cherry Auto Detailing, we will always strive to meet or exceed your expectations. Our ultimate goal is to ensure your vehicle is protected, preserved, and in pristine condition. Don't wait for the damage to tell its story. Visit Cherry Auto Detailing and let Geoshield PPF add a layer of armor onto your vehicle. Come see how we can keep your ride looking new years after years. We're right here in Guam, ready to exceed your expectations and protect what matters to you. Because at Cherry Auto Detailing, we're not just auto detailers or car janitors. We are here to protect your ride as if it was our own. And if you're in Guam and you're interested in protecting your vehicle with paint protection film, head over to the description below. You'll find all our contact information. Head over to our website, bring your vehicle to our shop, or give us a call so that way we can help you navigate through the different types of services we offer, especially when it comes to paint protection film. Paint protection film is our most expensive service we have here at Cherry Auto Detailing. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Jeremy. I'm excited to see everyone in our shop so we can protect your vehicle against the harsh realities of Guam's road. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.